To check your transaction history on Outlook 2026, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the application to find your transaction details easily. Step 1. Open Outlook 2026. Launch the Outlook 2026 application on your computer. Ensure you are logged in with the account you want to check the transaction history for. Step 2. Access the account settings. In the top menu, click on File to open the account settings. From the sidebar, select Account Settings to view your email accounts. Step 3. Select the account. In the Account Settings window, choose the email account associated with your transactions. Click on Change to access the current details. Step 4. View transaction history. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Review and export. Once you have accessed your transaction history, you can review the details. If you need to keep a record, look for an option to export or print the transaction history for your records. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history in Outlook 2026. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the help section within the application.